Hey guys, it's Butta. I'm back with another tutorial on my cheesy chicken bacon steak quesadillas. All you need is some chicken breast, bacon, steak, cheese, tortillas, and a little taco seasoning. Alright, the first thing I did was chop the chicken or chop the steak. I heated my cast iron skillet with a little olive oil. I seasoned the chicken lightly because I added the taco seasoning once it was done. I also seasoned and cooked the steak. My previous videos, I know I did make a lot of noise with the spatula scraping the pans, and I haven't got around to buying a wooden spatula, one spoon. So what I do is I'll come back once it's finished and I will show you the finished product. Alright, I'm back and here it is, my chicken and my steak. I also deep fried and crumbled my bacon. Okay, so what I'm doing here is making the filling for the quesadilla. In the separate pan, I added butter, spinach, cream cheese. I believe I had Mexican blend. I know mozzarella, and I believe it was the queso shredded cheese. I added it to the pan. Once all of the cheese melted, I added in my meats. At this step right here, this is where you need to taste the filling. If the filling is not to your liking, then you add more seasonings. I believe here I added accent, a little seasoning salt, and some of the Taco Bell taco seasoning, mild taco seasoning. So the filling is just about done. The next step would be stuffing the quesadillas. What I did was I got a extra pan, sprayed it with non-stick spray. I let it heat over low medium heat. And I put just enough filling to where it wouldn't ooze out, but you can put as much as you like. Once I felt that I had enough of the filling, I added some shredded cheese just so we can hold it together. And I let it cook about a minute on that side, a minute longer on that side. And I folded it over and flipped it. I thought it was going to be harder than it was. Actually, it's my first time making a quesadilla, but it wasn't. So once I flipped it over, I let it cook about another minute and a half on the opposite side. So after cooking it for about 2 minutes on each side, this is the finished product. Delicious. I mean bomb. I added some sour cream and some salsa that I had in the fridge, and I went to town, guys. Like, this was one of the best quesadillas I have ever had. I'm going to add a few photos and let you all see up close and personal how good it looks.